My 2008 Dodge Nitro with a 3.7 V6. Yesterday I made a video after I changed the exhaust out on it and I put a Thrush turbo welded muffler, but I didn't make the pipe come all the way out the back yet. I need some kind of flex pipe or something. I didn't have a welding machine. So this is a truck. Yesterday the video I made didn't sound all that great because I was in a garage and I'm using my phone and I set it right underneath the muffler, so it's kind of distorted. So I'm gonna try this again today and let's see if we can get a better sound quality out of it so you can get a better idea of what it sounds like. Alright, there you have it.